Quick question for every creator out there. What actually takes the most time when you're editing a video? It's not the cutting, it's not the transitions, it's finding the right clips in your footage. I used to spend 70% of my editing time just scrubbing through footage, searching for the good parts. The actual editing? That's the easy part. Today I'm testing a tool called AIXCUT that claims to completely change how you edit videos. It doesn't start with a timeline, it starts with AI understanding your content. Let me show you how it works step by step. So I open AIXCUT, and right here on the dashboard I click Media or File and upload my video. The moment I upload, AIXCUT starts processing, and this is where it's already different from other editors. It's not just importing the file, it's actually analyzing the audio, the visuals, the speech, and the content themes all at once. It's screening my entire footage before I even touch anything. I used to spend 70% of my time searching through footage for the key moments. AIXCUT is doing all of that for me automatically, right here during processing. Once processing is done, the editor opens up. I can see my footage on the left, a script table in the center, and the AI chat panel on the right. Now I'm going to switch to talking head mode at the top and watch what happens. AIXCUT has already auto-transcribed my entire video. Every single word, with speaker labels and precise time codes. The full transcript is right here in the editing area, and my footage is synced to it in the preview player. For anyone who makes talking head videos, podcasts, interviews, or tutorials, this is already a massive time saver. No need for separate transcription tools. Okay, now this is the feature that completely blew my mind. Watch carefully. I select a chunk of text in the transcript, just highlight it like you would in a Word document, and I hit delete. See that? The video automatically cut that exact segment out. I didn't touch the timeline, I didn't drag anything. I just deleted text and the video edited itself. I'm literally editing a manuscript, not dragging a timeline. For interview-heavy content or podcasts, this is an absolute game changer. And it gets even better. I can reorder the text I drag this paragraph and move it to a different position and look at the timeline. The video clips completely rearrange themselves to match the new text order. Reordering the text also reorders the video. The whole structure changed just because I moved some text around. That's insane. So in talking head mode, your transcript is your timeline. Delete text, the video cuts. Move text, the video rearranges. You're editing a document, and the video follows. Now let me show you the other side of AIXCUT. I switch back to script mode at the top. This gives me a structured script table like a spreadsheet. Each row is a scene with columns for title, script text, storyboard description, duration, and linked clips. Now watch this. I go to the AI chat on the right and type, "Help me trim this video down to 5 minutes, generate the script, and add the video to the timeline." And AI starts working immediately. It reads through my entire Kling 3.0 review, identifies the strongest segments, the test results, the key comparisons, the verdict, and builds a complete scene structure. Look at the result. AI selected the best segments from my video, organized them into a structured script with titles and descriptions, linked the exact clips, and trimmed everything into a tight, focused edit. One command. That's it. I'm not operating software. I'm not memorizing shortcuts. I'm literally discussing with AI how to edit my video. I share my idea, AI executes it. But here's what makes this even more powerful. What if you already have a script written out? Maybe you've planned your video structure. You know exactly which sections you want, and you just need AI to do the actual editing. Watch, I type in the chat, "Please edit the video according to my script." And then I paste my entire scene breakdown with titles, time codes, and durations. The opening, the key test sections, the comparisons, the closing, everything laid out exactly how I want it. AI reads my script, matches every scene to the right footage from my Kling 3.0 review, cuts the clips to the exact timestamps I specified, and builds the complete edit. The timeline updates with all the scenes, exactly as I wrote them. So now you have two approaches. You can either tell AI to analyze your footage and build a script for you, or bring your own script and let AI handle the editing. Either way, you go from raw footage to a structured, ready-to-export video without manually cutting a single clip. So here's the bottom line. AIXCUT is not just another AI editor. It's fundamentally different because it solves the real problem. The 70% of editing time you waste finding and organizing clips before you even start cutting. Whether you're a knowledge creator editing tutorials and podcasts, an e-commerce brand cutting product reviews and live streams, or a vlogger trimming travel footage, AIXCUT handles it all. AIXCUT doesn't just make editing faster, it screens your content, builds your story, then makes editing effortless. Everyone becomes their own director. Link is in the description. Try it out and let me know what you think. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tools that actually make a difference. See you in the next one.